Come on.
You run. So I want to start redecorating my room since we are at Ikea, and I'm getting all these ideas, and I want to do like white furniture with gray accents and then like a blush pink accents with also small gold accents. I don't know how that's all gonna look. That's the plan. Need some pizza?
I am hungry for weed.
What you doing?
Making a wallpaper.
Making a wallpaper? That's me. Here's your man cave. This right here. Yeah. Oh wait, look.
Oh, you got buttons.
Yeah, you just press it. You have to push it. There we go.
Okay. Just fit what I got on. I can do a model and shoot right now.
It's aesthetics. Look at that. So we decided that I'm gonna be able to decorate all of the rooms in the house, but he gets to do the kitchen and the basement. That's about it. That's all he gets. I think you're a little too tall. In case y'all didn't know how short I am. I feel like a little fairy. I feel magical. I really like these lights, but they're like too papery that I feel like our cats would attack them. For to follow the yellow brick road, just follow the projector arrow. No, you can't pee in that toilet. Twin. We're getting to my favorite part of this whole place, and that's the home organization slash like your office, your desks. I'm obsessed with like stationery, and obviously I blog, so I use my desk and office a lot, and this is my favorite part. I'm gonna need this whole wall. So look, big vision board, so I can plan my ideas up there. I really like this desk because it has like the hutch for extra little storage. And then it has this on the side. It's like, there's so much storage on it, but I want it to be like a little longer.
Because it looked like a piano. I thought you were like piano for
Wow. No. No. This is it though. This is my desk. This is my future desk. This is your executive desk. What if my back was this long? I don't think it is. No. So I'm gonna sleep up here, and then Quinn will sleep down there. Does that sound good?
No.
This is my kind of closet. It's so big that it has a desk in it. Is it taped? Do you want to take a pit stop and eat?
Yes.
Yum. What, did you really need all this sauce?
They didn't have ranch, which I wanted. They didn't have honey mustard, and I don't feel like going back for sauce.
Wow. Okay. Alright, so we've been here about a good hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. Halfway through, just finished eating. We're gonna go through the other half. I'm trying to stop with you. Why'd you do that?
This is the end, isn't it?
No, it's not the end. We still have to go that way. There's like the arrows on the floor. We're currently trying to decide what colors we want all of our rooms. You're too tall. I can't even get you in the vlog. If I get you in the vlog, then I can't get me in the vlog.
This is Quinn's vlog.
You said this is Quinn's vlog? No, this is mine.
You see a matter trick?
Yeah.
It's already halfway through.
This is really bad because now I'm just super excited to like decorate my own house. Then I'm probably just gonna drop out of college, buy a house, and just start. Is that okay with you? Yep, let's do it.
I wouldn't be a good cat mom if I didn't get her a little kitty bed for her little cubes.
What? Oh, God. I wasn't ready. Nice catch. You're gonna get us kicked out.
Yeah, I buy Ikea.
We finally made it through, guys. We're in the warehouse. We have slushies. Slushies. Oh my gosh. I swear, Ikea is like an amusement park. It is ginormous. I love it. Oh, it's my favorite place. Do you have the keys?
Yes.
We did it, y'all. We made it through Ikea in about 3 hours.
Yup.
That was his idea of a closing. I asked him what I should close, and that's what he said, so whatever. Bye.